In the scenic surroundings of Busch Gardens Williamsburg,
Loch Ness is classic.
I'm so excited about the revitalization of the ride.
the iconic Loch Ness Monster roller coaster stands as a testament to nostalgia and innovation.
Very, very exciting how the whole kind of storytelling and theming package came out.
It's just such a fun ride. Even though it's an older ride, it's still just so fun to ride.
The beloved roller coaster, a park staple, has undergone a rebirth that promises to deliver even more exciting adventures for riders of all ages.
It's such an iconic roller coaster and just so important to the park.
Many enthusiasts share fond memories of this classic attraction.
I first rode Loch Ness in 1978.
Loch Ness was like one of the first roller coasters I ever rode.
Acknowledging the roller coaster status as a rite of passage for many guests,
We knew it needed some work.
the refurbishment aimed to uphold the legacy while introducing exciting new elements.
We were trying to see, is there any way we could, improve it, maintain it?
Really excited how it turned out. Much smoother ride.
I like how smooth it is now.
900 feet of new track, including both interlocking loops.
The Loch Ness upgrades enhance the ride's performance and elevates the storytelling and thematic elements.
We definitely wanted to keep the whole story of Loch Ness Monster. And
Not only on the lift, the storytelling, but inside the cave as well, really reimagining what that cave could be.
Guests can expect to feel the difference as they glide through the twists and turns of this legendary roller coaster. Despite modern upgrades, the Busch Gardens team remained dedicated to preserving the ride's timeless charm.
It's just been fun watching and coordinating all of the different pieces and parts. And there sure are a lot of them on this project.
I think one of the coolest pieces is, kind of the real life sculpture of the Loch Ness Monster at the end with a great roar as you're coming out of the second loop.
From the moment guests board the coaster to the final plunge, the spirit of the mythical creature is ever present, fueling riders' excitement and imagination.
Hopefully they'll all come and experience the Loch Ness refresh.
It's amazing, and it's really great to see the park making the sort of investment to keep an old classic like this alive and well for generations to come.
Really impressed with the job they did on it. We're in an era where so many of these steel coasters from the 70s are being scrapped. To see Busch Gardens preserve it and bring it into a new age is really fantastic.
It'll be here for generations to come now, I hope.